Hello everyone, new video today about the Swiss tool Spirit MX. So this is the shorter version of the Swiss tools. Of course I make a video about the Swiss tool MX, so the classic one. I have also made videos about the MXBS Spirit and classic one. With the black layer. So it's been some weeks I haven't posted videos, but yeah, it's holiday, it's a summer, etc. So don't have really time, and after this video I will probably back in September, just so you know. Normal if there aren't any videos during this time. So this Swiss tool, 17 millimeters thickness, 155 millimeter for the length. It weighs 212 grams and it has 24 functions. So first thing, of course, the pliers. Here, cutting cables. So nothing special about this. Then we have this blade that you can open with one hand, which is of course the new thing about this. Then we have the can opener with the little flat screwdriver. So nothing new about this. Then we have the Phillips. Then this little flathead screwdriver. Then these scissors, which are a bit special for this Spirit model. On the other side we have the metal file, metal saw, wood file, etc. Then the bottle opener, cap lifter with the flathead screwdriver. Then this wood chisel with cable stripper, etc. Different things. And finally the wood saw here. And that's it for this Swiss tool. So there's another version of this this one, which is the Swiss tool Spirit MX clip, which comes with the clip here, but which is not removable. Not a big fan of clips in general, so didn't choose this version. But also you have you can buy separately the clips for this one, but also for the MXBS, etc. And then you can put here with a screw, and you can have the clip and it can be removed, etc. So it's really interesting. I think there were some problems with these new clips. The screw broke, but I think this has been I think this is not a problem anymore, so you can buy the clip. I think it's maybe better to buy the regular one, not the MX clip, and buy the clip separately, but of course it's just my opinion. Of course every tool has a locking system, didn't say that. So that's of course a really great tool, but I'm not gonna repeat myself. I'll make a video about the MX, but the regular one, classic one, Swiss tool MX, which I did not answer. Also probably make comparisons between them, maybe other Swiss tools. And that's it. And as I said, probably I'll be back in September for new videos. Hope you have a great summer. Wish you the best. Take care and see you in September, probably. Bye-bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver
So